Let me introduce you to some beautiful china pieces. These belonged to my parents when they were married in 1974. In the 1980s, my parents divorced, and this stayed in storage for a long time. A couple of pieces, probably some plates, got given away. But these three pieces were kept. And I probably would have given this other plate away at the time, but it had words on it, so I didn't want to give that away. I didn't know what to do with the set because of them being divorced for the longest time. I never even thought that I would care about them. But when my parents passed away, my dad passed away in 2010, and my mom passed away in 2024, I realized that now my parents are friends in heaven. I know that they're not married in heaven, because there's no marriage in heaven, but I know that they're friends. They never remarried after they got divorced. They always cared about each other, but they just did not get along if they were together for very long at one time. They tried over and over again to get along for us kids, but just a matter of time they were arguing. But I guess that's life in a lot of families, and now I want to repurpose this. I want to make a beautiful tier tray out of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this candle holder and I'm going to put this plate on top. We're going to glue all this together, and I'm going to put the teacup on the top and glue that there. It's going to be beautiful, and I'm going to just keep it displayed out forever. I'm not sure what my kids are going to do with it later on, but right now I'm going to enjoy it because I know that my parents are happy and better people with each other and others, and someday I'm going to see them again and we're going to be a big happy family. I will show you the final review after I get these glued. Thank you for listening.